Guys, this outfit instantly creates a classy and confident impression with its refined design. The fabric feels exceptionally soft and comfortable from the very first wear. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to enjoy throughout the day. The overall styling looks elegant while remaining refreshingly simple. Friends, that's exactly what gives it such lasting appeal. The fit feels comfortable without sacrificing a polished appearance. It follows the natural shape beautifully while allowing easy movement. Every detail appears carefully designed and professionally finished. The stitching is neat and enhances the premium quality feel. The material has a smooth texture that feels both durable and luxurious. It drapes naturally and creates a graceful silhouette. Nothing feels overly complicated or unnecessary. The design embraces timeless fashion with a modern touch. Friends, that balance makes it suitable for countless occasions. The fabric moves comfortably and maintains its elegant shape. It offers practicality while still looking sophisticated. The construction feels reliable and exceptionally well made. The quality is visible in every seam and detail.